Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of an Azure Beauty Dip Powder Kit. Modelones sent me this package, and as you all know, Azure Beauty and Modelones are sister companies or something like that. They are related. So I have used Azure Beauty Dip Powders in the past, so their dip powders aren't new to me, and I also love Azure Beauty Dip Powders. I think I'll link to some of the videos I did with the Azure Beauty Dip Powders in the cards. So in the kit you get a lot of stuff right here, as you can see, and I'll break it down for you what I got in the kit. So you get an after service card. You also get some replacement brush applicators, the instructions, and a mini brush. You also get 7 colored dip powders and 1 clear dip powder, the liquids, and a mini nail file as well. So right here I'm just showing you guys the clear dip powder, and as you can see it came sealed, as all the powders from Azure Beauty and Modelones do come properly sealed. And I'm just opening up one of the dip powders just for you guys to see, just in case someone may want to see how it is packaged. So I swatched the dip powders for you guys off camera. I wasn't really a fan of these dip powders. The colors are gorgeous, but some of the dip powders were grainy. When top coat was added, you wouldn't know that the dip powders were grainy, but application was not smooth at all. Maybe I got a bad batch or something, because the powder number 16, 18, 43 and 44, which are the nudes and the pinks, were very grainy. The others were fine. And that was really strange, because none of my Azure Beauty dip powders reacted like that before, and I have a lot of Azure Beauty dip powders. But there were some that were very smooth and finely milled, so I probably got a bad batch, who knows. So the dip powders I'll be using today are the clear dip powder, the pink, and the peach dip powder. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. Now, starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I dip it into the pink dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. This dip powder is really pretty, and it wasn't as grainy as the peach color, but it had some graininess to it, but it was manageable. On the third layer, I applied too much base, so when I dipped into the powder, it made a mess. So I just poured some of the dip powder on the nail and it fixed it as much as possible. The filing would do the rest. On the ring finger, I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I poured the dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that. Now on the tip area, I'll be using these colorful circular glitter, so I just apply base to the tip area of the nail and then I stuck the glitter on the nail. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Now on the middle finger, I'm doing a full glitter nail, so I just apply base to the whole nail and then I stuck the glitter on the nail as well. So I wanted to do a full glitter nail just to test out how clear the Azure Beauty Clear Dip Powder really is. And it is clear enough. It's dip powder, so you know there really isn't any super clear dip powder. I could still see some bubbles in the nail, but it was fine. Maybe if I had placed some activator in between layers, I may not see the bubbles, but I didn't, so who knows. So I'm just using this glitter and peach color, and I just placed the powder and the glitter in a container and mixed it because I wanted a shimmery dip powder. Now I just placed base on my nails and poured the dip powder on the nail. I did a few layers just to use up all of the mixture that I made. Now I'm using activator on the glitter nails to remove any residue that may have been left behind, and I wait for it to dry. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Azure Beauty Clear Dip Powder. I did a few layers to build the nails, but I only showed one layer. Now I applied activator to the nails, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll leave a link in the cards to a video. Now on the pinky and index finger, I applied my Modelones gel glue and top coat, and then I placed some rhinestones on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. This large rhinestone on the index finger came off a few hours after. I should have used a small bead of polygel to secure it properly. It was too large for the gel glue to secure. This was actually my first time using such a large rhinestone, I think, so I'll do better next time. I'm not really a fan of large rhinestones anyway, I just use it because. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on the powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!